students, in this quick video, I'm going to walk you through the process of signing up for your courses at the NBUC LMS. It's super simple and only takes a few minutes. First, go to the LMS website. If you are an existing student, enter your student ID as your username and your IC number without hyphens as your password. For first-time users, your username is your student ID and your password is also your student ID in lowercase. After logging in, move your mouse to Student Portal and click Register Course. Next, you will see a list of subjects available for your current semester. Tick the small box next to each subject you want to register. Make sure the subjects match your timetable for this semester. A confirmation page will appear. Please check your subjects again. If everything is correct, click Continue. If something is wrong, click Cancel and make changes. Asterisk if you're unsure which subjects to pick, please contact your program coordinator. Once submitted, your registration status will show as pending. This means your program coordinator or dean will review and approve your subjects. To check whether your subjects have been approved, go to Exam Hall Ticket and click Exam Slip. You will see the updated status once it is confirmed. That's all. You have successfully registered your subjects through the LMS. If you face any problems, please contact the Academic Affairs Department. Thank you and good luck with your semester. Thank you.